An F? What?
Alyssa, why do you always have to let me down? I mean, aren't you good at anything?
I tried, I really did. I studied. I don't know what went wrong.
Well, obviously you're not studying right. Might I suggest Kathy Dackins?
Who's Kathy Dackins?
Hi, I'm Kathy Dackins.
Kathy Dackins is the latest technology in school appliances. At a great affordable price, you can have a personal study partner at the tip of your fingers. This product includes a built-in voice recorder and speaker, an alarm clock and calendar. Its database, located in the shell, stores tons of programmable study sessions created by you to help you ace that next test.
Yeah!
Now only $28.45, $28.45, $28.45. Call now and get a free long-lasting rechargeable battery.
Warning, Kathy Dackins' side effects may include itching, burning, loss of brain cells, gullibility, vomiting, Alzheimer's, blindness, hearing things, and strange cravings for M&Ms that have been on the floor.